Well, there's an accident here. The driver is very badly injured along with two other workers. You see, the compound wall is broken on this plot. Engine is means this vehicle is beyond repairs, I think. And I have told this many times reported. Every year I give a report saying that on top and there should be someone like a what do you call them security man be kept, and they should direct the heavy vehicles to pivot back and come on the other side and not down this road. Then only you can save this. Many people have died here before
संगम
on this route.
मी
Every
जाऊ
day
नको.
there are accidents. And the lighting also, street lighting is very poor at night. So many accidents takes place at night also. Driver is very badly injured.
Okay.
Along with two of his co-workers. He is taken by the ambulance to be seen.